who gives the floor the project with the name Product Carrier Vessels for Inland Waterways. The speaker is Miss Liliana Bulboca, SUNY SA Drobeta from Romania. Please, the floor is yours.
Hello to everybody.
Hello.
I don't know if you hear me okay.
Yes, but if you can just switch a little bit lower your camera, it will be excellent because we see only a part of your head. Yeah, right now is better.
It's okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. First of all, good afternoon to everybody, and thank you very much for this invitation. Today, I will say some words about our shipyard, Severnav, from Drobeta Turnu Severin, Romania. Severnav is a shipyard from Romania with 500 employees and with over 170 years of experience in the construction of maritime and inland ships. We also offer standard repair programs for damaged ships and ship conversions. And starting from 1851, our company portfolio includes various inland and maritime projects, such as container ships, tanker ships, general cargo ships, passenger ships, chemical tankers, gas carriers, and various other inland projects. In 2022, we initiated a serious production project of barges, which has seen tremendous success also in Romanian international markets. The key element in these barges is their design, which enables maximum capacity transport with a very shallow draft. These barges come fully equipped and are customized according to the customer requirements. This was a big success for us. And in 2023, we also made 10 barges. And for 2024, we proposed to build about 15 barges from this project. Also in 2022, the shipyard resumed building turnkey vessels for our clients, and the first ship was finished to build this month. It is a Type C chemical tanker equipped with state-of-art technology and equipment, specifically designed for the inland transportation of petroleum products such as gasoline, diesel, and biocomponents. One of the key features of this vessel, it is the propulsion system, which combines...
Miss Liliana, I'm sorry for interrupting. Do you have a presentation or we just don't saw them?
No, we don't have a presentation because yesterday I was informed about this and I wasn't so prepared. Only some words that I can say to you, but next time I will prepare.
Sorry for interruption.
No problem.
Let's continue. Thank you.
Okay. The key feature of this vessel, it is a propulsion system which combine an electrical motor, allowing emission-free operations in ports with two latest generation stage 5 diesel engines. This advanced propulsion system configuration enables the use of smaller diameter propellers compared to traditional solutions, thus facilitating navigation in shallow waterways. This is a very important point for us because in some period of the years we have some problems with the shallow of the waters. Starting November 2023, the shipyard will start the construction of 2 more tanker vessels, for which we aim to create the most innovative propulsion system possible to achieve the greatest reduction in carbon dioxide emissions. In this regard, we intend to introduce an innovative system that allows the conversion of thermal energy into electrical energy. We are very confident that by implementing these innovations, the vessels will be able to operate for an extended duration using renewable resources. In this project, we express sincerely our desire to collaboration and partnership to implement innovative ideas in the construction of vessels with a propulsion system aimed at minimizing carbon emissions as much as possible. This is a very important project for us, and we are very open for the new collaboration and partnership to further advance innovation in the maritime industry. This was some words about Severnav. I want to express once again my gratitude for this invitation, and I am pleased to have had the opportunity to share some insights about our shipyard from Drobeta Turnul Severin, Severnav. And I want to underline once again that we are very open to collaborate or for the new partnership for any companies who can help us to implement some innovative ideas in the construction of vessel with a propulsion system, a new propulsion system who can minimize carbon emissions as much as possible. Thank you very much.